So, okay guys, so we have downloaded and installed the Django. So as you know that we have created a functions in our URLs files, and we have created routes or the URL. And whenever someone accessing the hello, as you can see, because this is the URL hello, and we are executing the functions. That is working fine. Now, what happens if you're going to use the MVC design patterns? So, normally, let me explain what is the MVC. So, okay, normally in every framework, we have MVC, the design patterns. So, model, create SQL statements or business logics, and in view, that is known as view, we create the layouts, i.e. buttons, images, etc. And in controller, which control everything like uh, sending data from controller to view, or sending data from controller to model. So that means it's act as a bridge which communicate the model and also the views. So in the MVC works like this. So if you talk about the Django, you have the model, template, and view. Model, this is the same model. Fine. So T is the template, which is for the view to create the layouts, and view is the controller, like your controller. So that's why we are saying MTV. So if you go to the Django official website, the Django, so find, so as you can see, it's saying model template. It follows the model template views architecture or the design patterns. Now I'm going to access the CMD command. So now I'm saying Python manage.py. I'm saying start app main. It will create the folder available in the root directory. As you can see, this is the folder you have created. So now you are saying to the Django that you are going to work on your applications. So this is your applications main. You have the migrations. In the main, you have one directory migrations. You can write your migrations here. You have the admins, apps, models, test, and also the views. Okay, now since you have created the app, so you have to register this particular applications in that settings. So in the root folder, as you can see, you have the same folder name open. As you can see, this is the settings file and it's saying installed app. So now I'm saying I'm going to register the app. That is the main. Now, if you go to the URLs, since you have registered the application, in the URLs, you have to say or register your paths. So now you are saying that you are going to create another file name, which is the URLs in the main directory. So here, as you can see, this is your main directory. So now copy this code and paste this code here, like create a file, URLs. Make sure when you are including this one, you have to also include this one or import this one. Include. So that's why it's working fine. You are saying go to the main, find these URLs, get all the URLs from here and import all those URLs here or include them, right? So you have two choices here. You have to register your own URLs, your application's URLs. So if you can also copy the code, paste the code here, and you can say like this, and now like this. Now I'm saying path. If someone add the home, I'm saying load the views.org. You have to include this one. You have to include this one. So I'm saying from Django path, and also I'm saying from import all the views. You are saying whenever you are going to access the routes, send the request to the views, and the method is home. So this is your views folder. You have not created the method yet. So you have to create the home methods. I'm saying dev home. As you can see, we have created the home method. Now you are saying that go to the main folder and you have the home.html. As you can see, you have not created the home.html file yet. Okay. So right click in the home directories, create a folder. Name of the folder is templates. Here you have to create another directory with the name of main. Now you have to create the home.html file in that particular directory. So this is the HTML file. I'm saying home.html. So now I'm saying home, and here if I'm saying h1, uh, h1, I'm saying welcome to the home page. Now we have created the home page. Fine. So you have added this one. You have created your one directory. You have created the home in your views. We have already discussed about that views in Django is similar to the controllers. So this is your controller. Fine. So if you go to the page, refresh the page, it's working fine. Okay. It's not working. Why? Because you have to run your server. I'm saying uh, run the server. Once again, go to the page, refresh the page, it's working fine. Now, if you say home, the home page is working fine. So you have created a single path or the single URL or the single route. So now I'm saying about us. Similarly, I'm going to create the contact us. Similarly, I'm going to create the services. Fine. That means you have to create these three methods inside the views because you have just registered the URLs here. So in the views, go to the views and create the uh, required method. So here as you can see, I have created the required method. Since we have created a single HTML file, so you have to create these files also. So in the main, as you can see, this is the main. So I'm saying about, and I'm saying about, and here I have to say that h1, and this is the about us file. Similarly, go to the views, copy this bad boy, and now you are saying this particular home, create another one. Now in this way, I'm saying contact, and now I'm saying h1, and I'm saying welcome to the home page. Now the last one, as you can see, it's highlighting that this template is not found. That's why you have to create also this one. So this HTML, now you have to create this one. And I'm saying services. Now I'm saying in the H1. So welcome to the services page. So now you have registered the multiple URLs here, multiple URLs here. You are sending all the requests to the controller. The controller name is, as you can see, views. And here, as you can see, you are saying the home. So you have a single controller and you are sending all the requests here. So once again, if you go to the page, refresh the page, it's working fine. So you have to use the proper URL. So let's suppose if you are saying about us, so it's working, it's saying about us page. If you are saying contact, so it will say the contact page. If you are saying the services, so this is the services page. So in this way, you can implement the template and also the view concepts in the Django.